A pleasant, very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to online maths classes. Welcome back to maths online classes. In the previous classes, the up to 8 problems completed. Now we will start the 9th problem. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days if A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. In how many days B alone can finish it? Next, 9th problem. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. In how many days B alone can finish it? Did you understand, children, this question? A and B both are together can finish the work in 12 days. Okay. Next, in A only can finish the same work in 20 days. A only can finish the same work in 20 days. In how many days B alone can finish it? Okay. Now, start the solution. A and B together can finish work equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12 days. Okay. Next. A alone can finish the same work equal to 1 by 20 days. Okay. Next, how many days B alone can finish work equal to, find them. Okay. How many days B alone can finish work in how many days? According to the problem, so A plus B equal to 1 by 12. According to the problem means A and B together can finish a piece of work. Together means addition, adding. So A plus B equal to 1 by 12. Already given to A. A person finished the work in 20 days. Then substitute the equation. 1 by 20 in substitute of equation 1 by 20 plus b equal to 1 by 12. So it is a positive quantity becomes to negative quantity. B is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. So take LCM. Take LCM. So LCM is equal to 12 and 20. So it is a fourth table possible. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 3 into 5 equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. LCM is a 60. So B equal to by 60. 12 how many times of possible in 60? How many times of possible? 5 times. 5 into 1 minus 20 how many times of possible? That 3 times. 1 into 3. So B equal to 5 minus 3 by 60. Okay. So that is equal to 5 minus 3 means 2 by 60. 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6 and 0. Therefore, B equal to 1 by 30. What is the B here? What is the B? How many days B alone can finish the work? So, what we write here? B alone can finish the work equal to 1 by 30 days. 30 days. Did you understand, children, this problem? Okay. One-fourth of herd of deer has gone to the forest. 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field. On remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of river. Find the total number of deer. Next, 11th question. Let the number of deer equal to x. Let the number of deer equal to x. Number of deer has gone to the forest. How many are there gone to the forest in deer? 1 by 4 into x. X is a total deer. It is a 1 by 4th part of you gone to the forest. Next. Number of deer has grazing. Number of deer has grazing in the field equal to, so 1 by 3 into x. So that is x by 3 and it is also x by 4. Okay. So next number of deer has drinking water equal to 15 equal to number of deers drinking water and 15. If a field and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of river. So next, according to the problem. According to the problem. So total number of deer minus, so it is a gone to the forest, x by 4 plus as a grazing the field, x by 3 equal to drinking water deer. So here it is in the bracket of two terms are there. It is a variable are same and power also same. Then take the LCM. Take LCM. What is the LCM? Least common multiple. 4 and 3. So it is a two different numbers. So 4 3s are 12. LCM is a 12. So x minus 12 LCM. 4. How many times of possible in 12? 3 times. 3 into x. 3x plus 3. How many times of possible in 12? 4 times. 4 into x is equal to 15. So x minus 3x plus 4x. 3 into x 3x plus 4 into x 4x by 12 equal to 15. So x minus 3x plus 4x 7x by 12 equal to 15. Take LCM again. AGAIN again. Okay. So LCM is 12. So here 12 LCM, denominator is 1. So 12 into x minus 12, how many times possible? 1 time. So 1 into 7x equal to 15. So it is 12x minus 7x by 12 equal to 15. Okay. Next, 12x minus 7x, 5x by 12 equal to 15. So it is a divided by quantity becomes to multiplication quantity. So 5x equal to 15 into 12, x equal to 15 into 12 by 5. So 5 3 times possible. 5 3s are 15. So x equal to 3 into 12, that equal to 3 12s are 36. What is the 36 here? Let the number of days. Therefore, total number of deer equal to 36. Here asking that find the total number of deer. So how many deers are there in total? 36. Okay.
Next 12th question. By selling a radio for 900 rupees, a shopkeeper gained 5%. Find the cost price of the radio.
Now 12th question solution. Selling price for a radio equal to 903 rupees. Gain. How much of the gain? 5%. Cost price equal to, you find them. Cost price, if cost of the radio equal to find them. So cost price of the radio according to the problem, cost price equal to, it is a formula, selling price into 100 by 100 plus G, 100 plus G, G for gain, so GA gain. So what is here, selling price is 903 rupees, 903 into 100 by 100 plus gain 5%. So it is a 90,300 by 100 plus by 105, or 903 into 100 by 105. So it is a 860 times possible, that is equal to 860, or here 5 table 25 is a 100 and 21 5 is a 105. So in 21, 903 in possible of 43 times. So that is equal to 43 into 20 equal to, that is also same 860. Therefore cost price equal to 860. Therefore cost of the radio equal to 860 rupees. Okay children, did you understand the problem? Okay, I hope to understood the problem.
Problem. Sekhar give a quarter of his sweets to Renu and gives 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with?
Next, 13th question, solution. Shekhar, number of sweets with Sekhar equal to X. Say means number of sweets given to Renu, 1 by 4 into X. So it is a X by 4. Okay, next. Number of sweets given to Raji. Number of sweets given to Raji. How many sweets are given? 5. He has 7 sweets left. 7 sweets left. Okay, next. According to the problem, total sweets minus given to Renu plus given to Raji sweets equal to 7. 7 is a left the sweets. Okay, so X minus, take LCM equal to 4. So here by 4 one time possible, 1 into X plus it is not there of denominator, 1 is there. So 4 ones 4, 4 into 5 equal to 7. So x minus x plus 4 5s are 20 by 4 equal to 7. So again take LCM equal to 4. So total divided by 4, it is not there of denominator, then you have to take the 1. So 4 into x, 4x minus x plus 20 equal to 7. Do the cross multiplication. 4x minus into x minus into plus minus 20 is equal to 7 into 4. 4x minus x, 3x minus 20 equal to 28. 4 sevens are 28. 3x equal to 28 minus 20 becomes to plus 20. 3x equal to 48. So here 48. So multiplicative quantity becomes to division quantity. 48 by 3. It is a 3 ones are 3. 6 threes are 18. Therefore x equal to 16. What is the x here? What is the x here? Therefore number of sweets with Shekhar at the beginning equal to 16. Okay children, did you understand this problem? Did you understand this one?
I hope to understood the problems, children. Thank you.
Okay children, thank you.